Hey guys, I'm Warren Holder with Raised Outdoors. Today we're talking turkeys, both literally and figuratively. So the first call we're going over is the Power Crystal. This is a Slate style glass call. If you like the sound that glass makes, you're going to love the Power Crystal. Power Crystal's been around forever. Awesome sounding call. I like glass slate calls. The only thing I don't like about them is, if you get them wet or anything, then you can lose that sound. So if you haven't used a slate call before, then we'll go over a little bit, just a quick tutorial. Other than that, I'll just let you guys hear how it sounds, and you can form your own opinion from there. But when you get your Power Crystal, there's going to be some sandpaper under there. You're going to need that, or you could get something like the Slick Stick. If you're like me and you lose things like sandpaper all the time, I would really recommend you get something like this. This has everything to condition your striker, to condition your call, chalk for a box call, all in one thing. So you might want to consider that as well. But other than that, you're going to take your sandpaper and you're going to rough up the face of that call in one area. And then you're going to do the same thing to your striker. If you don't do that, basically it's too smooth and the friction's what's making that noise. So you aren't able to get any sound out of it. So I've already gone ahead and done that. And so I'm just going to make a few yelps, clucks, purrs, and let you guys hear what the Power Crystal sounds like. So you can make yelps with it pretty easy. You can either make little cuts or you can make little circles. Then you can cut with it. Or you can purr. It was a little bad there at the end, but sounds pretty good. Make sure you get that face really roughed up. You want to do the same thing with your call. That is a Primos Power Crystal. Sounds good. Great call. There you have it.